In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view a Docusign document before signing it. Navigating electronic signatures and managing agreements can occasionally seem tricky, but by the end of this guide, you'll be doing it with ease in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, we need to visit the main Docusign website. Docusign is the leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, making this a reliable platform for handling important documents. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the Docusign website URL. Once the page loads, the next step is to locate the Login button, which is typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking on this button will lead you to the login screen. If you already have a Docusign account, enter your credentials to log in. Otherwise, you'll need to create an account by providing some basic personal information. This process should be straightforward, guiding you through the necessary steps efficiently and securely. After you have successfully logged in, you'll be taken to Docusign Home. Here you'll find various options, but our focus will be on accessing the agreements. Look for the Agreements tab in the navigation menu. Once you see it, click on it. This will direct you to the space where all your agreements are stored. Whether you've initiated these agreements or you're a recipient, this section serves as your central hub for document management on Docusign. Once you are in the Agreements section, finding the relevant document is the next task. Look for the tab labelled Documents. Give it a click and you'll be shown a list of all documents that require your attention. This might include documents awaiting your signature, those you've already signed, or any documents in progress. When you locate the document you need to view before signing, simply select it from the list. This selection will allow you to open the document, review its contents, and ensure that everything is in order before proceeding with your signature. Taking the time to carefully review the document is crucial for verifying the accuracy and comprehensiveness of the information contained within. And there you have it. You've just learned how to view a Docusign document before signing. This process ensures that you stay informed about the agreements you're part of and helps maintain the integrity of any documents you sign electronically. Remember, taking these few extra moments to review a document can prevent misunderstandings and save both time and resources. Thanks for spending this time with me. Until next time, take care.